science experiment on me that I, it's like, let's give him these 5 medications instead of one medication. And that's frustrating. They're giving me back pain medicine. They're giving me anti-inflammatories. And then they're giving me stuff for nerve pain in my peripheral areas. They're giving me, what else are they giving me? Uh, all the pain medicines in the world that they could give me, tramadol, methadone, um, and I'm having all these side effects, and I was in the hospital, and that's really that's what they do. Sometimes when I try to hold them back and not do them, it just makes it worse, and I'm like, ah! So this is for the doctor to see, and I'm tired of being a science experiment with medication, and I'm tired of driving my girlfriend crazy. Bless her, bless her heart. She has to listen to this, and I'm trying to hold back, which makes it even seem more strange. Um, Plus, it causes dry heaves and vomiting. Oh, and no, what? Oh, yeah, and it makes me totally unable to do anything romantic with my girlfriend because it's like, oh, I love you. So sometimes it's weird. Maybe I'll record some more. Okay, that's it for now. John signing. That was fake, but the other two are not. Bye.